What's going on, everybody? So if you're new to trading and you haven't used MetaTrader 5 before, it's going to be a short video for you to show you how to log into MetaTrader 5 step by step and how we can arrange things in MetaTrader 5 just to make your execution and copying of trades more efficient when you are doing so. So we're going to start off by going to the App Store. Once we've gone to the App Store, we're going to search for MT5, also known as MetaTrader 5, and you'll see MetaTrader 5 comes up just there, and we're going to press download on the application and get it onto your phone. So once you've downloaded the application, you're going to come to the MetaTrader 5 app here, and it's going to open up a little like this. As you can see, I'm already logged in at the top, but if this is your first time logging in, you're going to go to your email address where you signed up with the broker, and they're going to send you the login details for MetaTrader 5. You're going to come into MetaTrader 5 and you're going to select new account, and you're going to hit the search bar at the bottom here, and you're going to enter your broker that you are using. When they come up there, you'll see, for example, Vantage Markets Pty Limited. You're going to press that there, and it's then going to ask you what the server is, what the login is, what the password is. All of this information is in the email that you received after setting up the account. Once you've entered that, you can then log in. Once you are logged into MetaTrader 5, you'll see that your account and name is at the top here. You're going to come across and we have our quote screen over here. Now for us, we only trade gold, so all of these other pairs and currency pairs, they're just noise that we do not need on our phone. And at the top, you will see a pencil or edit icon. And you're simply going to come through and you're going to delete all of the ones that we do not use very quickly, very easily, and just delete them all off. If at this point you still do not have gold in your quotes section, which is XAU USD, you can either press the search, press gold, and select the XAU USD at the bottom, or you can simply press the search and type in here XAU USD. And when you type that in, that will come up for you and you just select it. And that will then show in the quote screen. Now, after you've set it up into the quotes, you can then come into charts and make sure at the top it does say XAU USD. If it does not, come back to quotes, press on XAU USD, and then press chart, and it will take you to the chart page with the correct chart for XAU USD. Once you've done that, you can also go into your trade screen in the center, which will show you your balance and equity, and you can also then go into your history where all of your past trades will be placed once they have been executed and closed. And then you've also got your settings where you can go into here and change any settings you may want, for example, information on the charts. Once you've set up and you've got your quotes as XAU USD and your chart is XAU USD and your balance and equity is showing and you're ready to trade, you can then go through and begin trading. So that is how you log into your MetaTrader 5 account, and that is how you can get your MetaTrader 5 account organized so that you can remove all the pairs that we don't trade and you can get involved with just gold on your MetaTrader 5 account, how you can access the charts, the trades, the history, and you can also go through your settings and have a play to see if there's anything else you want to change. We'll be doing more videos now after this where we will go into the details about how we can instantly execute orders on buys and sells, and we'll also do one how we can do buy and sell limits as well on MetaTrader 5 in a more efficient way.